we are going to discuss about the adverse effects of El Niño Rains. They are finally here with us. Showers of blessings for others, a curse of deluge for others. But there's a certain aspect that these rains are pulling at. They are pulling at the very center of Kesses community. The Nandi community has very complex initiation rites that involve taking their young initiates to the forest. And this year's heavy rains are proving not only to be a curse, it might even impact in their exit name. And most importantly, these heavy rains are going to be a test of resilience and fortitude for these young initiates. These rains come at the backdrop of COP28, which we're expecting will be in the next few weeks. And at the very center of this discussion is how climate change is impacting local communities. So I'm going to end this video with a very short clip from COP28. I'm hoping it's going to provoke us to take action on climate change and its impact on rural youth and rural communities. Thank you.